Hello and welcome back to the AutoCAD course. In today's lesson, we'll be going over through the layers, how to use them, and what are they basically. So layers as just if you have ever used Photoshop, they are layers on top of each other. For example, this is a layer. We have here a circle and we have a rectangle. So first of all, to pop up layers, all you have to do is make sure you are in the home menu, click the layers properties, and you are good to go. So we have the circle right here in a layer, and we have the rectangle right here in this isolated first layer that cannot be changed. So if I hit Control E, we are going to choose basically two layers that are not isolated. So those layers are not actually isolated. You can isolate them. We'll learn how to isolate them later on. So the circle, we'll choose the color and we will specify another color. For example, let's go with this color. Click OK. And as you can see, the color of the circle only changed because we are having the circle on another layer. So for now, we could go back to the circle and maybe change the properties of this circle. So we could go and do isolate selected layers. So it's going to isolate it from any other layer and make it its own layer. That's the layers here, and they are pretty cool, pretty awesome. Now let's go and de-isolate it. So let me de-isolate this. So it's going to go back as usual. That was it for layers. We are going to talk about layers more and more in the videos, and see you again in the next lesson.